Girly here. Today I will be showing you guys how I hatch my cute little quails into their brooder now. So this is their temporary brooder for now to protect them from my kittens and cats. They're watching them. They're also curious. Some are licking their lips, want to eat them, but I told them it's my babies too. But anyway, keep watching guys. I'll show you step by step how I'm doing this. So stay on your journey. Thank you. This is our box from our seller Anna. She's amazing. I just love all these cute little stickers she put in the box. So cute. So here I just open the boxes of our eggs, quails and everything. And as you can see, I'm candling them and saw that some of them were broken and cracked, but these are the ones that are good. So unfortunately, I basically boiled the rest that are not good. And I ate some, and the cats also enjoyed them. So as you can see, my little lightning is just love this piece of quail eggs, and he just literally grabbed it off from him.
He doesn't want to share with his brother. Whoa! He just took the whole egg. What? He just swallowed the whole thing.
So this is our day 7. We are candling it again to see if they're already fertilized. As you can see, we have veins going on inside the membrane of the eggs. So that means they're fertilized. They're good to go. And I noticed that my incubator was getting super hot. So I actually double checked again the eggs, and I found out there's some that are still cracked. And this one is store-bought egg and the quail's eggs versus, and the quail eggs taste a lot better than the store-boiled eggs and cooked egg. And this is our day 1, the hatched quail. It was so cute. I woke up at 5:40 a.m. I heard the cry. I was in the bathroom. I was like, what is that chirping noise? So is there a bird inside? And I forgot for a second, and the cats were going crazy. Mom, there's crying baby in the other rooms. I run. I was like, oh, yay. We have quails. So, yeah. So, these are the ones that didn't make it. And those are the ones, that made it. Here, I took the little guys outside so they can get a little sun. And I took them inside. We were just there for a little bit. And now we are setting up their brooder. Put the heating pad machine from Amazon, and I added the cardboard box in the bottom so that they're comfortable and it's even, and then also their food. So in the next video you'll see their food. So after this one, we're gonna be mixing this together. That's what my plan is, so that they'll be a lot stronger. And then for the water, this is our water container. I will be adding a little bit of electrolytes in their water, just tiny to give them strength. And this is going to be when they're a little bit bigger. So it's seeds that you can plant and make it grow, and they really love fresh vegetable greens. So there we go, guys. 𝐾𝐠𝐠𝐬. And that was the third one, the fat one. And there's the fourth one, a little bit later. I remember. But they love me. Hi baby, so cute. Ta-da. And there's our last one. That's our little baby. Oh, so cute. It's your guys' food. There they are. I'm gonna leave this open so that they can figure out where their water is. Their food and their water. We have to keep an eye on them because they can drown in that water. So.
They're just chickens. Your mom's gone bonkers. Your mom's crazy.
It's quails.
Oh, I thought
They are quails. They're not
I
chickens.
thought they were little chickers. Chickaroosies. Hey, come here! What are you guys doing? Okay, we're going down. We're going down.
Don't smash their toes now, sir. You want to see them, Z? Oh, Aries and Z want to see them.
Look, it's a mantelpiece.
Oh, that is the cutest. Jealous baby here. Oh, they're all sleeping right now, Bob. Oh, they're taking a nap. Your office? I
Because
took
my
over.
office isn't a chicory.
I
Because
took
my
over.
office isn't a chicory.
This is a little home for now. So this is our day 3 of our clothes being inside this temporary or maybe permanent brooder house home for them. I like it because we actually used this a while ago, long time ago with our silkies, but my husband put holes in them. Anyway, we have a little guard here, Aries. Okay, she's trying to take a nap because she's been busy watching the quails. Hi, Aries. She's protecting them from those 2 troublemakers. And yeah, this is our office room. It's a little mess, and I will probably work on this here today. Try to organize everything here. So let me just show you guys what we got here. So my husband put holes in here a while ago so that there's airflow, and here they are. So I actually changed their watering system from now because the one that we put on the other day was too much water for them. I'm just kind of worried that they might get drowned or something. And I grind their food. I put some in there so it's easily for them to eat and find it. So they're learning to eat now. I mean, they know how to eat now actually. And then the watering system, I just changed this earlier. It's already dirty. So I put this clear plastic here so that the water doesn't get all over the wood chips. And I added this yesterday. My husband was shaving or doing some gardening, cutting the grass in the back, and I added it here so they have something to play around, hide and seek. And I think they love it, and the smell of the grass is really nice in here too. And yeah, so I will be changing the water again because these guys are messy. And later on, hopefully, I will be able to there's some automatic watering so it doesn't get dirty like this, so they don't step on it, you know. So yeah, there's our day 4, I believe. They are now day 4, these guys. And that white one over there, the cream, that's actually the last eggs that hatch. And I was worried for a second because it was really like, it took for that one to hatch like 6 or 8 hours, and I thought it was not gonna come out at all. So I was like, but I saw a little hole, so I just kept spraying it with water. So in the morning it came out. So yeah, well, I hope that we have 2 boys at least and 3 are girls, because we have 2 kinds of quails here. We have 𝐶𝐴𝐿 and 𝐾𝐻. So yeah, they turned out really good, and they look like they're happy, and they're already doing what they're supposed to be doing, eating food and sleeping and playing. They're just so cute and funny. So, keep watching, guys.